here it is, my ultimate banh mi sandwich. Why is it so ultimate? Because there's this sticky, slow cooked pork, which is just out of this world magnificent. Okay, first things first, let's get this sticky pork going. All right, we need a marinade, and a very good one at that. We're gonna start with some hoisin sauce, a little bit of light soy sauce, and a little bit of dark soy sauce. Mix that together. And I'm using a pork belly here, a skinless pork belly today, because I'm all about the sticky today, not about the crispy skin for this one. And just pour that marinade all over the top. Get your hands in there, give that pork a nice little massage with all those lovely flavors. Now, because this is a very sweet marinade, I'm gonna add a little bit of water just to the side of that pork because I don't want it to stick or burn too much on the bottom of the pan. So you want the water about halfway up the side of your pork belly. Now wrap that in foil, and that goes into a very low oven for about 2.5 hours or until it's really sticky and fork tender. So while that pork is doing that thing, we've got plenty of time to get our other ingredients ready. And one of the key things for me about a banh mi sandwich is having that pickled vegetable, that sweet tanginess, the crunchiness. So I'm gonna do some pickled carrot, and all we need to do is just add a little bit of sugar and some white vinegar. Mix that up and just set that aside until you are ready to assemble your sandwich. All right, let's have a look at what we've got. Ah, that pork looks so epic already, but I'm just gonna pop this back under a really hot grill in the oven because I just wanna get some color on the top of that pork. So just while that pork is cooking, I'm gonna get everything else ready for my sandwich. Now I need some cucumber. I just want some nice slices, cut those into battens, and some red chili. And then that carrot that we've had pickling, what I want to do is grab a hold of that and really squeeze and get rid of all of that liquid so that we're left with a nice pickly carrot without all the juices. And now we just have to wait for that pork. Would you look at that? Heaven. Now this pork is incredibly tender, so I'm just going to carefully get it out onto my board. Just slice through. Now that I'm barely even touching that pork and it's just falling apart. Oh, amazing. I'll just sneak one small piece. So good. That's very exciting. For your banh mi, you definitely want a really great crusty bread roll, and there are a few elements here that you need. So first of all, you just need some pate. I've just got a pork pate here, and then I like to add some mayonnaise. Not strictly necessary, but just like adding extra bits and pieces. Okay, and I want some of that pickled carrot and some cucumber and some of that ridiculously amazing pork. Now I just want a couple of sprigs of coriander and just a sprinkling of chili. And that, my friends, is one hell of a sandwich. Now, excuse me, I'm gonna be busy for a while. This is really good.